What's up, y'all? I'm seeing thousands and thousands of people purchase all these supplements being sold by influencers, other advocates for these products, and wasting a ton of money. And to be honest, a lot of y'all looking terrible after y'all buy the supplements, man. So in this video today, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what supplements to purchase and what not to purchase, so you guys can stop wasting all this money and develop those incredible physiques. Let's get straight into it. Let's be real. A ton of you guys have a ton of supplements in your closet. You don't need a cabinet full of supplements. You just need your essential supplements. So just to get started, you wanna have your essential supplements like a fish oil. And what fish oils do, it really helps with your joint support. Because guys, remember, as we're lifting, we're doing heavy squats, we're benching, that can be a lot of tension on our joints. So we really wanna make sure that we have some sort of joint support supplement that can help, so we're not having shoulder pain, knee pain, elbow pain, okay? And I'm gonna hook y'all up, guys. Make sure you guys tap it with Leader Supplements, use a code word CHIEF, and you'll get 20% off. And right now there's a special deal going where it's buy one, get one 50% off. I've been rocking with Leader for a long time, several years now, and the products are great. They have the best things you could think of. I like to mix some of their products in with like the pancake. They have cinnamon cereal, they have s'mores, they have a bunch of different exotic flavors that you can really mix in to just add some flavor. So I highly recommend tapping with Leader Supplement and using that code. All your whey protein is on the go. Whenever, guys, I'm a working professional and I have to go from client to client, like I have so many calls to make. So whenever I'm running low on protein, that's when I take my whey protein, boom. And that can be a quick energy source, because why you need that protein helps you retain muscle and build muscle. So you want to make sure that you're at least hitting 1 gram of protein per lean body weight. Next, you want to incorporate that creatine. Creatine is going to be helpful and great because that's going to help you, that's going to give you extra ATP cells. ATP cells is going to give you extra energy to allow you to lift heavier weights, and that's going to allow you to appear more dense and full. That's how you can really build a lot of mass. Making sure you're taking a lot of water with creatine. Obviously, you need your multivitamins, and multivitamins can be like a great supplement. Just if you're not eating greens or you're missing out on things, and that can be a great source to really help your body grow and develop. You gotta take your vitamins. It's almost like vegetables. Like, you want to take your vitamins, you want to take your vegetables, because they're things that we don't get. Or if you're not in the sun a lot, then you might need that vitamin D. Different things like that. Now I want to talk about what supplements you don't need to take. You don't need fat burners, detox pills. A lot of y'all put a lot of junk in your body. The only fat burner you need is to push your plate away. Bro, what? Stop letting people sell you this 30-day, lose this amount of weight if you take this green tea or this fat burner. Like, green tea is actually okay for you. But I'm saying, like, don't let people tell you, hey guys, take this fat burning pill, there's this magical pill. Those are all gimmicks, and a lot of that stuff is crap. It's not even good for you guys. So just, guys, let's focus on your essentials. Stop like adding things outside the box. Stick to your whey, stick to your creatine, stick to your multivitamins, stick to your fish oil. Outside of that, you really don't need anything else, guys. Just rely on your natural genetics and doing the work, guys, getting in those steps, doing resistance training 3 to 4 times a week. Guys, there was a point in time I didn't even take supplements. I haven't taken supplements my whole entire life. So you don't even need supplements if you can get it through your food. So if you can get it through your food, then I recommend doing that. But if you're busy and you have a busy work schedule, like I do sometimes, so like I'm more likely to lean on my supplements, I'm more likely to lean on my whey protein on those days. I get it, but I think you guys rely too heavily on these supplements. You can't think about it, guys. Nothing is easy to do. Like, you can't just take a pill and you're gonna be shredded and ripped. That's not how it works. Side note, even people talk about bodybuilders and say, oh man, that guy, he's on steroids. He may very well be on steroids, but he is very well disciplined as well, because steroids is not gonna just give you muscle. Like, that's not how it works, guys. And that guy that has that physique that's on steroids, he did work for that physique. Now, yes, the steroids enhanced it, but he still had to put the work in. So a lot of you guys are looking for like easy way out. So if you're not familiar with the brand, you're not familiar with the label, guys, then stop taking all these mystery 30-day pills. That's how I rock with Legion, because Legion gets all their products tested by like a third-party vendor, and they have amazing supplements and amazing reviews, and they have history and longevity in the game, guys. So I'm very careful with like what I put in my body, because the last thing I want to do is test positive for steroids or killing my body on the inside. And that's why so many people are reluctant to have a coach, to get a trainer, because they've been given bad advice. And listen, man, if you guys need help, if you guys are struggling or you've been given bad information, man, click the first link in the description below, man. Book a consultation call, and I'm gonna help you guys get in the best shape of your life, man. I've been doing this. I got over like 10, 15 years of experience in this game. So make sure y'all tap with me, and I'm gonna help you guys get right, okay? The next thing I want to talk about is if you really need creatine. Now, I'm a big proponent of creatine. I love it. I've been taking creatine for, man, like about 10 years now. And I just remember when I first started taking it, just like the amount of growth that it's helped me see, that's gonna allow those first couple of reps to move a little bit easier. So if you guys are struggling and you can't get that first, or you can't make that increase in your strength, I highly recommend taking creatine because I think you'll notice a big jump in your numbers. And I don't think you have to take super big doses. Some people will take like 20 grams of creatine. I just take 3 to 5 grams a day. And I just keep it in my system, and that helps me out. And no, it's not a steroid. Yes, it's perfectly researched. Check out the leading creatine product. Link that in the description below, guys. And get a stack, man. Get your creatine and get your whey protein and get your pre-workout. Get your vitamins, get your fish oil, guys. So go ahead and get a stack, man. I highly recommend taking the creatine because that's gonna be very, very helpful. With creatine, you do want to drink a gallon of water a day. So when I am leaning out and I want to get super lean, I may even get off of creatine after I get that strength. When you decide to stop taking creatine, you may lose some strength because you're gonna lose some water weight, you're gonna lose some mass. So I highly recommend when you do get off of it to really be pushing yourself, giving maximum effort in the gym, so that way you don't lose too much strength or any strength at all. Okay, guys, so listen, in conclusion, man, supplements are not some magical pill, and stop being sold dreams. Stop listening to your favorite influencer because he could either be on steroids or he's selling you crap just to make money. I would never do that. I would never sell your product that, one, I don't take myself, or two, I don't believe in. A lot of you guys have wasted a ton of money on those supplements, on those fat burning pills, and it really affects your health. And I really just hate seeing you guys go through that, okay? So definitely tap in with Legion Supplements. That's a reputable brand. I've been rocking with them for a while. And listen, if you guys need coaching, click the link below, because the reality is, man, you have to put the work in. But I believe in just being efficient. I want you guys to be able to put the work in, and I want you guys to have the best physique possible, and you guys can get it in 1 to 3 months. Listen, man, book a call with me, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what you need to do to get in the best shape possible. I'm gonna tell you guys the supplements that I take, how I take them, and how I've been able to develop this body where even though because guys, I do travel, I do go out, I still have a good time. So I'm gonna show you guys how to have an incredible physique and still have a social life. You don't have to lose it all, you don't have to give it up, and you don't have to keep wasting money on all these supplements, okay? So I hope this video was very helpful. I feel sorry for all of you guys who have wasted your money on all those BS products and all those BS trainers. Yes, there are a lot of bad trainers out there. You guys are getting trained by people who never play sports. I was a former Division I athlete who almost went pro. You can look at my numbers. I ran track. And I'm not saying I'm qualified for everything, because I'm not qualified for everything. But I do my due diligence, and you guys should as well. Before I just put money in someone's pocket, a lot of you guys would just work out with a guy who he doesn't work at a gym. He doesn't have any certifications. It's like, that's your fault, because you didn't do your homework to see if this guy was even qualified or not. Thank God for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. We're keeping these videos coming out, man. Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, we got the videos dropping, man. We go live every day to do a live at home workout. And listen, man, don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Chief, CP Nation. We out. Yes, sir.